For billions of years, the Earth has been home to countless evolutionary wonders, from the depths of its deepest oceans to the heights of the Himalayas. The creatures that inhabit this planet are far from ordinary. Despite each organism's unwavering drive to adapt and thrive, one animal arguably impacts most on Earth's fragile face with its seemingly unique mechanisms for coping with its environment. The Homo sapien, or as they are more commonly known, humanity. Many of Earth's creatures' life cycles stand out for their unique breeding habits, dietary requirements, and social interactions. For example, the sea turtle can live for up to 80 years, and in that time can breed to produce 70 to 190 eggs each mating season. This offers a higher survival chance for the smaller turtles between hatching from their sandy nest and beginning their journey into the vast ocean that they will call home. The tiny sea turtles fight to survive predators and even harsh currents, but most recently, its largest threats are man-made hotels and tourist sites that are developed on beach shores, overlooking the creations of nature. The bright lights confuse the naive newborns, sending them further up the beach away from the sea. Of the 7 different breeds of sea turtle that live on the Earth today, 6 are now classed as endangered, due to human interference. Many other sea creatures also depend on the same breeding technique, even adapting to slightly harmful habitats to defend the young from larger predators. The humble clownfish uses this method to keep its eggs protected, and even after birth, the young will very rarely leave the anemones. Protection of one's offspring is an important part of survival. Could a well-evolved method of bearing children be the key to humanity's success? It is a little-known fact that a human baby should gestate for 10 months before being born. However, the female body is ill-equipped to support their offspring to full term, and almost all humans are born prematurely. Some even have to be brought into this world through cesarean. So if the strong breeding genetics have not caused humanity's dominance, perhaps their mating ritual could reveal their evolutionary advantage. Of the birds, the peacock is one of the best examples of stunning male attractions. The males support vibrant long tails, or coverts, that can make up to 60% of the bird's total body length. This train is what attracts a female by colour, length, and quality of plumage. Stags similarly will compare width and height of antlers. This is to determine the strongest male of the herd, a favourable trait to pass on to the female's offspring. Humans have perhaps the most varied of mating rituals, from competitions of strength and beauty to demonstrations of intelligence or financial security. Having acknowledged the similarities in instincts of survival and procreating across the earth, what is it that causes such a divide in the development between man and the rest of the animal kingdom? What trait provides the evolutionary advantage to aid this modern construction of society? The thumb. The opposable thumb revolutionized the Homo sapien by freeing the hands from walking requirements and allowing gripability. The use of such accurate motor skills have led to more ambitiously innovative designs and ideas. Over time, this would help to form the tools they need to thrive in their environment. Rather than relying on the evolutionary advantages nature brought them into this world with. Whilst reaching great advances in industrial technology, this way of life is proving to leave its mark on the earth more than any other creature. This unsustainable evolution has resulted in humans achieving a status on the food chain that almost keeps them exempt, not only defending, but threatening. Deforestation and excessive pollution have vastly reduced quality of wildlife on our planet, causing an estimated 10,000 to 100,000 creatures to face extinction every year. Now many humans wage war on other human poachers by protecting endangered animals in zoos or reserves. Car emissions and the reduction of green sites for larger scale construction are just a few examples that prove that humans lead an unsustainable development, using up resources quicker than the Earth can handle, emitting more carbon emissions and damaging the atmosphere, poisoning Earth's wildlife. Despite all these factors, all of Earth's creatures continue to support each other through their sustainable global life cycle. Some Homo sapiens try to help maintain this ecosystem, such as the cycler, who chooses to use a friendlier alternative to transportation. Leaving the heavier CO2 emitting motor behind, the cycler will cut down his carbon emissions by almost 100%, while also proving beneficial to the human's fitness. The recycler similarly alters their way of living by simply recycling old tins, jars, cardboard and glass. This has reduced the waste produced in landfill sites by 44% over the past 10 years alone. Also reduced the methane gas released by biodegradable waste. The solution? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Animals such as seagulls, the hermit crab and beavers are nature's most extreme recyclists, as they use resource to materials to build their homes. Through pollution from landfill sites, even the recyclers of the natural world are halted in their attempt at survival, having been rendered homeless. By recycling, the gardener can fertilize their plants and flowers by using recycled homemade compost, nurturing their plants at no cost, reusing grass clippings, vegetable peels, even tea bags to create a greener solution. Of our time on Earth, it is clear the dominance of man to creature has led to a toxic effect on man. From breeding habits to survival, man should take heed of our close animal ancestry and look to the capability and preservation of our planet. As the human species continue to break through with newer, greener ideas, walking on the earth may become more sustainable than we think.